In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress to Flodesk for easy integration using Zapier. This process will help you automate tasks seamlessly, saving you time and hassle. So whether you're a busy blogger managing content or an entrepreneur handling business workflows, this is for you. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Zapier website. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. Otherwise, simply log in using your credentials. Zapier acts as a bridge between your apps, enabling them to communicate and automate processes without any manual input. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new Zap. This is the heart of the integration process, a task we want to automate. Look for the option labeled Make a Zap within the dashboard. Clicking this will open up a screen where you can start setting up your desired workflows. Next, let's focus on setting up your trigger. In this case, you'll need to select WordPress as the app. What we're doing is telling Zapier to pay attention to any activity on your WordPress site that you want to use as a trigger for an automated action. Choose a trigger event from the available options such as new post or new form submission, something that suits your needs. The next step involves connecting your WordPress account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to enter your site's URL and provide your API credentials. Make sure you have these details on hand. This connection enables Zapier to interact directly with your WordPress site and recognize the triggers you've set. With WordPress set up as the trigger, it's time to move to the Action app, which is Flodesk in this case. In the Action app list, search for Flodesk and select it. This will let Zapier know that whenever the specified trigger happens in WordPress, it needs to perform an action in Flodesk. Choose an action you wish Zapier to execute in Flodesk, such as add subscriber. This is the task you want to happen automatically, like adding a new email to your subscriber list every time a new form is submitted on your site. You'll then need to log into your Flodesk account to authorize the connection. Once connected, it's crucial to map your data fields correctly. Link relevant details from WordPress, such as email addresses or names, to corresponding fields in Flodesk, like subscriber name and email. After setting everything up, it's important to test your Zap. This test ensures that all the connections work correctly and that the automation flows as expected. If your test is successful, you're almost there. The final step is to click Publish, activating your newly created Zap. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy the convenience and efficiency of having your WordPress and Flodesk accounts working together, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow integration tutorials.